Hi guys, you're listening me on Harsh Music Factory and this is an inspiring moment for me. It's a story of Sir Ratan Tata. But there was a point where his Indica Motors was not getting more response from our customers. And he had to come to a point where he was thinking about selling his company to Ford. And being in this toughest situation of life where Ford companies made fun of that they could not sell their own car, and coming to a point where we feel to give up, I feel Sir Ratan Tata made a very good decision of not selling his company. He worked hard on his sales, and there came a point where he purchased Ford company. So never ever give up in your life and believe in your dreams. Coming to the other section, we see a lot of great works of Sir Ratan Tata, where he helped cancer patient, or it's a very beautiful story, where in Taj hotels, even dogs are allowed. So let's make a change where we can help towards our society, creating a difference in our Indian environment, and more dreams to follow. And coming to this end particular point where I say Sapna Shuru Yahan. And I want to dedicate this one to Rishali ma'am and Rahul sir for giving me this opportunity. So let's go, believe.